Lawn looking patchy? Or just not as lush as you want? Thatch buildup could be the culprit, so let's get real about how to dethatch your lawn mechanically and keep things healthy without making rookie mistakes like over-fertilizing. First off, walk your yard and look for that thick, spongy layer between the soil and grass. If it feels like a mat under your feet, that's probably thatch. If it's more than half an inch thick, it's time to grab a dethatching machine or rent a power rake from your local spot. Rake up all the loose debris after dethatching so it doesn't sit there blocking water and sunlight. Water the lawn a day before you plan to dethatch, so the soil is a little moist but not soggy. You want those roots to get a bit of a break, not a mud bath. Once you've run the machine through, give your grass some love with a slow-release fertilizer, but go easy on it. Too much, and you'll just make the thatch problem worse. Set up a regular mowing schedule and keep your blades sharp. Dull blades tear grass and can actually make thatch form faster. Leave grass clippings if they're short, since they break down fast and feed your lawn, but bag them if they're thick or wet. Try to aerate once a year if possible. It helps break up compacted soil and lets roots breathe so thatch doesn't pile up again. One of the biggest mistakes with dethatching is hitting your lawn when it's too wet, which can rip up healthy grass along with the thatch. So always check moisture first to avoid lawn damage. Another common issue is going overboard with fertilizer after dethatching. Too much nitrogen can boost thatch growth instead of helping recovery, so stick to slow release types and follow the recommended amount for your grass type. People also tend to skip aeration, but skipping this step means your soil stays compacted and thatch comes right back. Make aeration part of your yearly routine for real results. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who actually know their stuff and have real reviews from people nearby. If you're a contractor looking for work, it's honestly one of the easiest ways to get matched with folks who need help right in your area, so everyone wins.